Hello, we're Sing City, and we're inspired by a very popular game where you can build your dream neighborhood in a virtual environment. Oops. Sorry. Okay, sorry. So we wanted to translate that to the real world, where we would create an app that accesses open data to enable citizens to identify gaps with amenities and businesses in your neighborhood, and then to make an effort to fill that gap. So this platform would visualize what a neighborhood already has, then use that data to identify gaps, where you can then request for needs via a transparent platform. So let me take you through it. So when you get to the portal, basically what you do is you type in your postal code, and it brings out an area map of your current location, where you can then search for amenities and businesses around you. Now in this example, we're going to search for childcare centers, and you can see that there are 4 childcare centers near you. Now if for any reason you think that you need another childcare center to be closer to you, or due to a lack of vacancy because there seems to be a high density of families with young children and just not enough childcare centers with that area, you can then go to the right-hand button on the top and say suggest a location, where you would then be able to log in and drop a pin and suggest that a childcare center be built in that desired location. Now this can be childcare centers, it can be salad bars, it can be dog-friendly cafes, dog parks, it can be virtually anything. So when you're done with that, it then brings out a poll that shows you how many other people in your neighborhood also voted for that same amenity that you are looking for, and what other people in your neighborhood are also looking for. And then you can join the bandwagon and go, oh yes, we do need more dog parks, or we do need more dog-friendly cafes, I want to vote for that as well. So with taking in mind the example of childcare centers, if we would use one map to try and locate 2 generational families with working moms within a middle income bracket. Now these are all separate queries done, but given enough time and engineering effort, we would be able to mesh the data and overlay that with crowdsourced information about what people are looking for within their neighborhoods. Why are we doing this? Currently, there are 17,800 dwelling units in Punggol, and that number is expected to grow to 96,000. This is an amazing opportunity for us to do crowdsourced urban town planning. Now, the impact that we see to the community is that it creates ownership to the neighborhood and also provides transparency of what people are looking for versus versus what the government has done in response to fulfill that need and how long it took to fulfill that need. And also provides valuable market research data for the businesses, which would be our revenue generation model for this project. Thank you. We're Sing City, and we hope to build a better Singapore with you.